Hello everyone, and welcome to this very special episode of Wisdom Waves. So, today's guest is someone who knows how to negotiate bedtime with me, someone who questions my fashion choices, and someone who stole my heart or steals my heart almost every day. I'm talking about my daughter Ashvika. Since it's our Mother's Day, it was on Sunday, and we did not plan for the Wisdom Waves. We know our Wisdom Waves is every Wednesday, so I decided to do this special Mother's Day episode where we are flipping the script. So it is not just about me asking questions. Today, Ashwika has prepared a set of questions for me, and she's going to bombard me with those questions. And the best part is, she refuses to tell me those questions. He said, Mama, I will put it on the live so that I know that what I would love to hear you, and all that. Am I right, Ashwika?
Yeah.
Are you excited, sweetie pie?
Yes. Very
And
excited.
first of all, thank you for accepting it because I actually had to convince her hard. Ki Ashwika, let's do it. And she was like, Nahi, mama, come
I
on.
have a busy schedule.
But she did it, and I so love you. I love you, and I'm so grateful that you're my daughter, and I'm lucky to have you. Okay, so first I will ask you questions, and then it's your turn. Are you ready, Ashwika?
Okay.
Okay. So, first question is, what do you think I do all day when you are at school? And be honest, okay?
You miss me? because because we're off at school and when I come and then you're like, Ashvika, I missed you. I had no one to talk to, not listen to me. But I feel you do work and you're more productive when we're out to school.
Oh, you feel that I'm productive? Then you say that, Mama, you were doing nothing. I have come from school. I'm more tired.
No, like you should be, after you've done your work, so now it's us, now it's me time.
It's us time, then me time.
Yeah.
Okay, so that goes to your next question. If you had to give me a mom report card, just like you get your report card, what grade would I get? And why do you think I should get that grade?
I think A2. Like I
Eight.
get A1, A2.
You get A1 and I get A2. And why do you think I should get A2?
See, there are a lot of parameters.
Okay.
So there is like you see you're very good at rules and boundaries. They're good boundaries, and I appreciate that these are the boundaries at my house. There's some times when I'm like, no, this should not be like this. But yeah, like at least your A is very nice, very good.
No, so what should I do? Let me reframe this question. What should I do to become an A1 mom?
I think more
More lenient so that
lenient,
you get
and
on my head.
when I try to when I try to convince you, you should get convinced.
So I think I'm a hard nut to crack. Is that what you're saying? Okay.
Sometimes.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fair because I love to be hard nut to crack. Why should
Yeah.
you be able to crack me all the time?
That is that is debatable.
Okay. So
Okay.
what's that one rule I make that you secretly think it is totally unfair?
Not totally. Like sometimes, like I think one of it is the phone. So I really wanted a phone, but like I'm not allowed to have a phone. So, there should be like, see, you can say no. Okay, I get it. You can say no, but there should be like, if I do this, I should get the phone. Like there should be like at least a 3 month tracker that if I do all the things right, then you give me the phone. So it should be something like that. And if I break any of the rules, then you take my phone back. So like it should be like that. Not like you're not getting a phone not till you're 18 and you're a teenager right now and you don't know how to manage a phone and
So is it as phone negotiation a problem? So you
hmm.
feel it's unfair that I am not giving you phone and you should get a phone.
Yeah.
Okay. So you know why I don't give you a phone, right?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. See, I'll tell you a simple thing. Like, the only reason I don't want to give you a phone is I want you to be more productive in what you do, and I don't want you to get distracted, because honestly I also get distracted. I've told you so many times that, Ashvika, when I sit on Instagram, I don't even realize when this
No,
1 hour.
that's why rules. Like if you give me the phone, there should be some rules. Like I give you the phone, but when you're studying, your phone should be away. And before 8, the phone should be not with you, and it should be with me. And like rules, but not like not phone. Yeah.
No, tell me, three reasons why should you get a phone.
I am see I know I'm distracted, but I know when I need to study, and when I know I need to study, then I'm focused. But when you force when I feel कि यार करना पड़ेगा and I'm lazy to do it and I still do it, then I'm not focused. So तब तो I'm like कि नहीं फोन फोन दे देती हूँ कर लेती हूँ लैपटॉप ले लेती हूँ so see I know that when I'm focused I'm very focused. I don't need a laptop and I don't start scrolling when I'm focused. So
Okay.
yeah, that's the only reason.
Wow, wow, wow. But that does not tell me, that does not give me a reason to give you a phone. So that the rule still remains the same. You don't get a phone. Okay.
Okay.
So now I have asked my three questions. Now I want you to ask not
Okay,
10 questions.
I have a lot of questions. So,
So should I
okay.
be nervous? Should I be ready? Should I be
You should.
drinking some
It's
water?
easy. Just be yourself. You know.
Okay.
You should sometimes. You should just let go and just be yourself. Just say whatever comes to your mind.
Okay, done. Done. Let's do that.
Okay. So first question: have you ever pretended to like a gift I gave you? Be honest.
No, I haven't, because I always feel that your gifts are very special, and it's usually handmade, so it's always close to my heart.
No, like sometimes when you feel that it could be better, like I expected much more, and
So I have a load of expectation with you, given you my daughter, but I feel that every child is unique, and you are my unique one, and I'm proud of what you do. So,
okay.
uh,
Okay. I think
yeah,
this is an easy question, so
yeah,
you can
I think I
answer
will.
that. What's something about being a mom that no one warned you about?
So people always said that children would not need that much of time, and you would be able to continue with what you're doing, and everything will be seamless, and when the children are 5 or 6 year old, they will be independent. But unfortunately I don't see that, because I have a 13-year-old.
That is
But I feel that nobody warned me that a 13-year-old will also need my time. And when I see that you've come back from school and you're making faces if I'm busy in a meeting, so I know you need my time, and that's very sweet that you love me and you want that time. But that makes me also feel that, oh yes, parenting is demanding, and it's just not about few hours.
I am telling you, I demand you a lot of time. I need a lot of
I
time.
know you need my lot of time. I know that. I can feel that. But I love it also. So yeah.
Okay. What do you think I've inherited from you, and what's definitely not from you?
So your empathy, kindness,
All the
understanding.
positives are from you, all the negatives are from not you.
Yes. So all these things which are good are from me. So
Mhm. No, be
empathy,
honest. No,
love,
be honest.
kind.
No, something that I do bad, and that's from you, and you know it's from you.
Something bad you do, okay. So I think you're very stubborn, and sometimes I feel that I'm equally stubborn. I do not like uh, you know
See, I
I,
told you you're gonna do a lot of errs.
so basically I'm stubborn, and I do not, I like to defend myself a lot of times, because I feel I've not done wrong. But that you've taken it from me, so both of us defend a lot. when we don't need to actually.
Yeah.
So I think that you've inherited from me, and I want you to change that habit because that's a bad habit. You don't have
Yeah.
to defend yourself.
Don't take the
Sometimes
bad from
it's
me. All
important to
take the good.
accept also. It's important to accept mistakes. It's important to accept negation. It's important to accept anything that you've done wrong. So it's okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So
But I do accept it.
liar, liar, dirty liar,
Okay.
pants on fire.
Okay. If I suddenly become your mom, what rule would you be most scared that I'd make? And what's the first thing you'd want to do as me?
First thing I would love to love to do, I will hug you and say, I'm so glad that now you're mom. Now you know what a daughter can be.
No, like not like that. Like you finally become Ashvika, and
Okay.
what would be the first thing you do when you become Ashvika?
When I become Ashwika, then you the slimmer version. So I will wear crop top and just fly here and there. So that is what I'm going to do because I love when you wear that crop top. You dress up yourself and you look at yourself, and I really feel that I wish I could do that.
You do that. You do that more than me. Okay, and the second part, what rule would you be most scared that I'd make?
So I would be scared about a rule which you will make for me.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. I don't think I'll be scared of rules because my mother was a very rule freak. You know how Nani was. Nani loved rules and she used to make sure that we were in rules. So,
No,
so
like
not
what if my rule was that you get no gadgets, no devices, and now everything's with me? How would you survive? And
So,
all your friends have gadgets.
I think I would, since I'm 13, and I'm assuming that that will be the difference. So I'll be 13 at that time. So obviously I'll be rebellious, just the way you are, that you want phone, I want to talk to your friends and stuff like that. But if it was, but I would realize that because I never had a phone, honestly, you know that. I got my first
Yeah.
phone when I was in first year of college. So that my zamana was different. So I never had a phone, and that also remember the 2100 wala phone with the chota
Yeah,
Nokia
Nokia.
dial
Nokia, Nokia, yeah.
I did not have gadgets, so I really don't understand that what a 13-year-old would have done. So you have asked me the right question. So probably I would be upset, but then I would realize that okay, landline to hai na. If I have
हाँ
to
हाँ
speak, I
मैं
can speak.
हूँ I know you're just doing it for me. बच्चा है सामने सच थोड़ा ना बोल सकता है.
Nahi, I'm
But
very truth. You know I don't lie, so I'll
yeah,
say.
yeah, yeah. Okay, so did you ever imagine your child, me, would turn out to be so cool? I'm
So
so cool.
I always wanted a daughter, but I did not ever feel the feeling of daughter is so beautiful because I remember the first time when I hold you in my hand, I cried.
All mothers cry,
I cried and I said, "Oh my God, she's so cute. She's so beautiful." Because I've told you the story also. Your hands were like too big, too
yeah.
long, and so doctors came and told me that, पता है जो baby को baby हो गया because I was so
Yeah.
emotional about it. So I think. I really did not realize, I did not feel that, oh my God, I gave a birth to such a cute human in my life. So I think that was priceless. And you the first born, so obviously you have a special place, you know that.
Okay.
That Ribhav does not, so
Uh,
stop mocking him for that. He also holds a special
I'm the
place.
best kid.
No,
First
no,
one.
for a mother, both kids are the best. Sorry,
Yeah,
that is
yeah,
not happening. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. A mother has two eyes, and both are
Yes, you
important.
know that. I give you that
Yeah.
example. So if I hurt any of the eyes, obviously it will be hurt. So you are the two eyes. You're the
Yeah.
apple of my eye. Yes. So yeah.
Okay. So, what was the first moment you looked at me and thought, "Yep, that's definitely my daughter"?
So are you talking about childhood or now?
I'm talking about whenever, like the first time you saw me and you said, "कि ये तो भाई मेरा बच्चा ही है." Like
So
that
so
witty kind of feeling and that naughty kind of feeling.
okay, so I'll narrate a silly story. I don't think you like it, but I'll still narrate it. So basically, you were very young. You were about like 7 8 months maybe, and I think 9 months maybe, not 7 8 months, 9 months, and then whenever you had to go to the washroom, you used to feel very bad, like you could not do it in your diaper and you used to feel irritated. And then
Mama, it's live, mama.
so when I saw you such a clean freak, that you were so cleanliness perfect and you wanted things your way, and which, so then I realized, oh, that's my daughter. So yeah, because I was very particular about washroom etiquettes, and I'm still particular about
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
So that made me feel that, oh yes, I have to.
Did you ever laugh when you were supposed to scold me? What happened? I don't
uh,
think that ever happened though. You're always very serious when you scold
yeah, when I
me.
scold you, then I'm serious
No, like
because
and like the first, like see when you were in the first years of parenting, and kuch to hua hoga.
in
Because
the initial years of parenting, you said something, I was scolding you, and then I started laughing. Is that what?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So there was a one incident. So I asked you what is the color of the cow. I don't know if I told you.
Okay.
So there was a MCQ, and you had to
Mm,
write whether red, blue, yellow, green, वैसा कुछ था.
mm,
And so there was option of white, blue, green, purple, something like that. And you
mm.
wrote there was a purple cow, and you ticked that.
I'm embarrassed.
So I was very annoyed that, Ashvika, the cow is not purple. So you said very sweetly, you said that, Mama, I wanted to see how the purple cow looks like, and you colored the cow purple. And I was holding you, and I was like, oh my bacha, this is so cute. Koi baat nahi, it's okay. And then I hugged you and we both laughed that, yeah. But then I realized that imagination can be anything. I cannot stop you from imagining, and that's your imagination, and I respect
Yeah, I love my old self. I want to be a child.
that.
Okay. Um, have
There are
you
more
ever?
questions.
Yeah, then 10 questions.
So, how many have you asked me still
I've
now?
asked you seven. Now, three more are
Last
left.
three. Okay, done. Cool.
Have you ever blamed something on me to get out of trouble with someone else?
Yes, I have.
I know you have. I remember a time you have, and then you realized it later that oh my god, I blamed it on you. But then you said sorry to me. But I think that was unintentional. But अभी आपने हाँ
No,
बोला
that
है.
was intentional. That was very intentional because I think we bought a new lamp, and your friend had dropped it, and then I came and I was
Yeah,
rectifying.
it was that. Yeah, it was that.
And
Yeah.
then I broke it again. I dropped it. Papa came very annoyed. Papa like, who broke this lamp? And I got very scared and I said,
Yeah.
Ashwika.
Yeah, yeah, it was that only. Yeah.
And then I blamed it on your friend and you, and then I realized that it's so bad. I'm so mean. I'm bad as a mother. So I first
No, but
confessed.
I think I was really happy. The first that was the first time when you blamed a thing on me. So I was like very
हाँ.
happy कि मम्मा ने मेरे पे blame किया, but मम्मा को पता है कि उन्होंने किया है. So I took it कि हाँ पापा मैंने किया है. But then I realized कि
हाँ, you
मम्मा.
immediately said, हाँ, Papa, मैंने किया है.
हाँ,
And Papa did not say a word because he realized that there's something fishy cooking. So probably he
mm,
also realized. And
yeah,
then yeah, so that was very guilt.
yeah,
So I was
yeah.
very guilty that I was so stupid that because I got scared and I immediately said,
But
Ashmita,
I was very happy. I was at that time very happy, mama, mama. I'm going to.
so it was like that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. What's a rule you always told me to follow, but secretly you never followed?
So now, although I'm following that, I
Yeah.
always want you to follow reading.
Yeah, yeah, I see.
Yeah. So previously I was just preaching that, Ashwika, you should read, but I never read. and I was not getting time to read. But now I make a point that I'm reading every day without fail, and you know that. Like
Yeah.
from last one
Yeah.
month, I'm reading continuously every day, and which has changed my life because I feel
Mm.
very nice when I do that. I feel very overwhelmed. I feel like, wow, I am doing something nice.
Mm.
So I enjoy that. But yes, I used to preach pehle, but now I'm following it, so I'm happy.
Good girl.
You know
Yeah,
that.
I know that. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah.
Okay. What's a moment when you felt proud but tried to act chill?
What was that moment I felt proud and I tried to act chill?
Chill about it. Yeah.
So I was proud when you got your state championship award,
Yeah.
and I was super duper proud that you got a
Yeah.
skating award, and I was very happy and I was jumping with joy. But because I was a teacher over there, and I was with I was during that time I took those students
Yeah.
along, so I
Mm.
had to act very chill and हाँ कोई बात नहीं सबको मिल जाता है आजकल award. Ultimately, I knew that what kind of hard work went by in getting that
Yeah.
award. It was your hard work, my hard work. So it was a combined effort. So I was very, very proud of you, and I can't tell you how proud I am still with you.
Yeah.
But yes, I was like, oh my God, that's my data. So I felt like that.
I'm proud of that. Okay, so the round is over.
Oh, nice. So I won, I lost.
You were good.
I
I
was good.
thought you would say a lot of ers and ahs, and I'm not able to do it. Ashoka skip this question, but it was nice.
It was nice. Okay, now I have a fun rapid fire for you, by the way. Are
Okay.
you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's your turn to get screwed. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you were my mom for a day, what would you ban?
What would I ban? I would ban phone.
You would ban?
Phone. No phones for you.
Ah, what's my most mom thing I say all the time?
Hmm, बिल्कुल पढ़ती नहीं है. बस सोती रहती है या खाती रहती है.
That's true. That's true.
But even though I score good, okay, I score fine.
Yeah, that's true. So, which cartoon character would be the best mom?
Cartoon. I don't see cartoon. I don't know many cartoon
I
characters.
know you don't. So I
Yeah.
was just thinking. So what exactly is a best mom for you?
For me,
Let's
a
do one
best
thing. Which food is your best mom? Which food would become the best mom? Suppose a food which becomes a best mom. So which food would you resemble to your best version of mom? Okay, this food is like my mom, you know.
I think pasta, because
That's
sometimes the pasta is spicy and chill and yeah, like good pasta, and then the white pasta is very sweet and like not sweet, but it's
easy
like
going, relax. I can enjoy, chill. I can do
uh,
masti. I can do wrong
yeah.
things, and Mama will not scold me. Obviously, I will scold you.
And then sometimes like no, the red pasta is scolding. You need to be the white pasta.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the weirdest thing I cook?
Weirdest thing you cook? Is that weird?
Which you hated or probably you do not like?
I don't like chila, but that's a general thing. I don't like chila when no anyone cooks. There's
Even
nothing
if
that I
I
don't
cook,
like.
you cook wherever.
No, you cook everything nice.
Oh my God, I
No,
am taking this as a
sachi.
compliment. Okay, if I was a superhero, what would be my name?
Superhero,
What would be my name?
Wonder Woman.
Oh my goodness. One word to describe me when I wake you up early.
Now you stop because I because of the way I react, but pehle you used to, I did not like the way you used to wake me up. But now it's much better. You just say it once, Ashvika, get up, and I get up, and I like it because I just need a person to tell me once ki uth ja, and then I get
Ha,
up. So
ha.
so I like it
You
now.
hated dancing with me. That's so ridiculous.
I hated dancing with you.
Yeah, when I used to wake you up and say affirmation and jump and all
Oh,
that.
that is, bro. You've just gotten up, so you need to like by Google you need half an hour to get up. Actually, get up after getting up.
So you hate it. Although your brother loves that affirmation dance
Because
and
he's a
song and all that.
child. He's
And you are Dadi
6 years old and I'm 14 years old. I need time to get up. उसका तो अभी दिमागी सोते सोते भी he would be jumping. And sote
Oh,
sote I'm relaxing. Busy
okay.
schedule.
Yeah, right. Absolutely. Okay. Now, the last question. My mom is, and you have to complete the sentence.
My mom is cool, you know, very strict sometimes, and sweet, calm, understanding. Yeah.
Go ahead.
अरे बस full stop.
Okay. So, do you have anything else to ask me, or we are done?
Hmm, no, I don't. I don't actually.
So awesome, awesome, guys. Thank you so much, Ashvika, for being so brutally honest but kind hearted and my funny guest. And this is the best podcast. This is the best life I have had. So thank you so much. And happy Mother's Day to me and to all of you. So you can also wish me Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
So, and from our giggly hearts to yours, kindly ride the waves of wisdom and don't forget to sometimes your kids are your greatest teachers because they also teach you a lot. Because from today's life, I realize there's so many things which Ashwika taught me. There are so many things which I have learned from Ashwika. And when I ask these questions, this is actually a review session for me also because I step back, I look at myself and I realize, okay, these are the things which is bothering her. So I need to understand her even more. So thank you so much everyone for joining this live session. Love you, Ashwika, with loads, loads, loads of heart. Now study well, please.
This will always come, guys.
So thank you so much. And next week we have another Wisdom Waves Wednesday exactly at 8 p.m. And we have some amazing guests. I'm not going to reveal the name of the guest because that's secret. Otherwise, वो spice कैसे रहेगा
Secret.
So thank you so much for joining in. Love you guys. Although I have few questions, I was not prepared कि we'll ask those questions. But if I have to answer, so K and K sometimes, are you there? Hey, my three children don't listen to me. Okay, so K and K, can you please send me a text message on WhatsApp or so on the Instagram so that I will just check it out. And thank you so much, everyone. That's so many hearts, so many loves, so many happy Mother's Day. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And KNK, you can just drop a text to me and I will reply to you. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining in and listening to our naughty talks. I had the best time. I had the best deal. I don't remember I had laughed so much in my any of the live session. So thank you, Ashwika, for giving me so many loves, giggles, and loves. And I'm blessed to have you in my life. And again, I
Me
love
too. I'm blessed. I'm your mom.
you. Chalo. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.